It protects America's warriors from IED blasts, from head injuries, and from the relentless pounding of choppy seas and rough roads. It shields their joints from potentially crippling impacts and even provides them with a good night's sleep. Skydex Technologies has developed a patented protective plastic material that adds powerful shock absorption and vibration dampening qualities to a seemingly endless variety of products. But Chief Technology Officer Peter Foley says they're all variations on a single technology.
The Skydex technology is really geometry. It's how do you use geometry to absorb energy. And that can be energy all the way from a blast to a sound wave. Primarily, it's hemiellipsoids, which are kind of funny shaped, football shaped pieces put back to back. One compresses into the other, and that compression rate determines how much energy we absorb. When an impact hits the first hemisphere, it compresses into the second hemisphere, absorbing energy. That compression continues, and at some point, the second hemisphere buckles and also absorbs energy. Those two hemispheres continue to compress until over 90% of the thickness has been used to absorb energy. Typical foams only compress to 60, maybe 70% of their thickness. So we use more of that space to absorb more energy. Skydex is made from thermoplastic urethane, an extremely resilient, tough, durable material. Those Skydex hemispheres, when you compress them, they come back to shape over and over again. In fact, we've tested them to over 1 million impacts and seen less than 10% degradation. What that means is with each impact, you're seeing the same amount of energy absorption. With foam, that isn't the case. You better enjoy that first impact because it's coming back to shape differently every impact, losing its ability to absorb shape. Skydex retains its ability to absorb energy.
Skydex isn't just strong, it's versatile. It can easily be re-engineered for diverse uses, from flooring for armored vehicles and high-speed boats to helmet pads, body armor, vehicle and helicopter seating, and more.
From an engineering point of view, Skydex is a great material to work with because it has so many variables you can tune to absorb the amount of energy, the amount of protection we offer. You can tune the material thickness, you can tune the type of material, you can tune the height of the hemiellipsoid, the diameter of the hemiellipsoid, the diameter of the area where the two hemiellipsoids meet. You can tune, do the ellipsoids face each other or do they point away from each other? We have so many variables that we can tune. We can really fine-tune our product for the specific application.
In fact, Foley says where you need protection is just as important as what you need protected.
When you need to protect in an extremely rugged environment, or when you need to protect something from shocks over and over again, or you have to deliver a large amount of energy absorption in a very small space, then Skydex is the ideal material.
Peter Foley and his Skydex technology team continue to develop new products and improve existing ones to live up to the Skydex mission, protecting things that matter.
We've got to work harder to develop solutions to keep our military guys safer, faster.
Skydex, protecting things that matter.